Stop wasting thousands on your sales and marketing videos. You can save over 2,000 euros without booking a studio or hiring a videographer. Let's get to the point. Venue rental can cost between 500 to 1,500 euros. Videographer fees? Think 800 to 2,000. And don't forget about editing and production, which can easily add over 500 euros. Plus, all the time you spend prepping and recording, it adds up quickly. Before you know it, you're spending a lot just to create a few videos. Now here's the thing, I didn't spend anything on this video. This was filmed months ago. Everything is the same. Setting, lighting, all of it. While the words you hear are simply updated now. I could be sitting on my couch enjoying a sandwich, while you think I'm right here speaking to you. And I'm sharing new content without rebooking a single thing. For GTM experts, marketers, and SME founders, you can use existing footage and simply update the scripts. It means more content, less effort, and no added costs. As a side note, I wish I could wave my hands around while talking, but because I recorded this earlier, I'm stuck like this. So, if you're not using this method yet, you might be making things harder than needed. This approach can honestly streamline your work. Leave a comment if you want to learn how to get started with this. And if you are not convinced yet, I will now tell you to leave a comment in Spanish, Zulu, Arabic, and Japanese. Deja un comentario si quieres saber cómo empezar con esto. That was easy. That one was peanuts. اترك تعليقاً إذا كنت تريد معرفة كيفية البدء بهذا. That one was difficult but not difficult enough. これを開始する方法を知りたい場合はコメントを残してください. Have a good one, guys.